Hello children, welcome to my channel. We are done with K and K akshar. Today we will learn new words beginning with G alphabet. So let's start. G pasun gavat. I repeat, G pasun gavat. Gavat means grass. Next is G pasun garud. Pasun Garud. Garud is a large bird known as eagle in English. Garud means eagle. Next is Pasun Gadpati. Pasun Gadpati. Gadpati is Lord Ganesha, one of the most popular Hindu god. Lord Ganesha. So now here you should know to write G, V and the अक्षर. आपको तीनों अक्षर पहचानने आने चाहिए. G, V and the. Gavat. Okay. Here you should know to identify G and L. G and L in Garud. यहाँ पे आपको ग, ण और प लिखने आना चाहिए. T you need not learn. Okay, so G, N, P you should know to identify or write. Okay, now let's go to the next akshar. Now let's do G akshar. First learn the formation of the alphabet. We have to take one round, another round, up and down. Just see again, one curve, another curve, up and down and a sleeping line. This is how you have to write Gh akshar. Okay, there is a difference in the pronunciation of G and Gh. Okay, keep this in mind. Now let's learn new words beginning with Gh. Gh pasun gharte. I repeat, Gh pasun gharte. Gharte means nest. Okay, bird's nest is called as gharte. Next we have Gh pasun ghadiyad. Gh pasun ghadiyad. Ghadiyad means clock. Okay. Next we have Gh pasun ghasargundi. Gh pasun ghasargundi. Ghasargundi means slide. Children like to play on a slide. This slide in Marathi is called as ghasargundi. Okay. Now here you should know to identify Gh and R akshar. Ghar. Te you need not learn. Here you should know to identify Gh and L. Gh and L in Ghadiyad. Here you should know to identify Gh, S, R in Ghasargundi. Okay. These three akshar you should know to identify and write down. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.